Hey everyone, it's Matt with Joe's Gaming and Electronics to show you how to reset your AirPods Pro. This works for any generation of the AirPods Pro. You're going to want to make sure that they're charged, but they don't have to be plugged in to reset them. So you can unplug them and then just open the lid, and you should see this white flashing light, which indicates that they are looking for a device to pair to, but they're not connected to something. If you see a solid white light, it means they are connected to something. So if your phone's nearby or another device you've had them paired to, it means they're paired to that device, or they're paired to someone else's device if someone was using them. You can go ahead and put your finger on the button on the back of the case and then open the lid. You'll see that flashing light, and then you just hold down on that button on the back of the case for about 30 seconds. And this will put the headphones back to factory settings, which means that they'll disconnect from your phone. And in order to reconnect them to any of your devices, you will need to delete the connection in your Bluetooth settings and then reconnect them. So you see the light just went away there for a second. That means that they reset. Some might show the amber light and some might just show no light for a second. That means that they're reset. So now you would have to go ahead and remove that Bluetooth connection, and you should be able to just connect these right back to your phone. If you're still having issues with them, one of the best things that you can do is just put them in the case for about 30 minutes and plug them in to charge and just leave them there. Sometimes the earbuds might need a software update or something like that, and they get that update from the case and being paired to your phone. So if they're paired to your phone already, or if they're not, go ahead and pair them to your phone and then leave them in the case charging for about 30 minutes close to your device. And that should also help fix issues. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching.
If you guys love what we do, please support us. You guys can click on the links that we have on the end screen. You guys can buy parts, sales, or service so we can continue to make great videos for you guys for many more years. Thank you.